This video tutorial I will explain MongoDB Regular Expression pattern matching with options. Suppose from employee collection, I want to find all the documents where employee name starts with GU. Whether it is uppercase or lowercase, I want to find all the documents. Then I have to pass options with I parameter, which means case insensitive. Here you can see employee DB and it has employee collection. In that three documents are there, and from these three documents we will get documents which has employee name starts with GU, whether it is uppercase or lowercase. We have to use this query, and here I have specified option as I, which means case insensitive, and we got two documents where employee name starts with GU. Whether it is uppercase or lowercase, we got both the documents. If I remove this option, then I will get only one document where employee name starts with G uppercase and U lowercase. Execute this, and we got only one document where employee name starts with G uppercase and U lowercase. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.